I never had robins up here when I bought this property, probably a good 10 years before they migrated in, once everybody started clearing the property. And I remember the first time I seen them, I was kind of happy, wow, robins, hearing them sing. And then, the sons of bitches eating all my June berries, man. These are all June berries here, and I don't get to harvest them because the robins that I used to be excited about, you wipe them clean. I think there's a cedar waxwing right there too. Let's see if I can get it on film. Or is that an Oriole? What is that? Damn, I wish I got that on film. It was a really colorful bird. But there's the robin. I don't know if you can see the June berries, but they're just now ripening up here. And the birds are wiping them out. I guess the only good sign is they'll crap out more seeds. I'll probably have more June berries, but and hence more robins. You can hear the neighbor's generator now, but again, everybody, I never played that game with the generators up here, but some people have no choice. As long as they shut them off at night, that's when it becomes a problem. People complain is they'll run them all night long. And people that sleep with the windows open get forced to listen to it, Anyways, I think those are waxwings because there's a bunch, whole flocks of them, devouring the June berries. It's rare to harvest any berry up here, with the exception of blueberries, because of the birds, Not focusing. That's a robin. Well, I ain't gonna be making Juneberry pie this trip. If it wasn't for the birds, I'd have enough to make a pie and give to the neighbors. Talk to you later.